Go this way. Push it down. Yeah. Yeah, you did it. Nice. Welcome back to Unnatural Spirit Garage. In today's video, we'll be starting the teardown of the 283. But before we get too far, we wanted to try a little experiment and see if we could get this thing running on 4 cylinders. Robin used her CNC to make up a homemade head gasket to cover the coolant ports on the head surface. And Scott also made up a plate to cover up the intake ports. Wyatt got right in on the action, helping break loose some head bolts and taking off the head. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.
Oh, she's almost off.
Nice. Alright, let's see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Much cleaner than last time. Oh yeah, actually. See, there's the gasket. Don't wreck it. Don't ever use it. A little bit of coolant junk come through. That's okay. That's fine because the bolt's on there.
Yeah. Just leave it on there.
So we didn't see these things down here? Those are lifters. I tell you, don't stick your fingerprints in there.
That's what those rods went to, Wyatt.
Yeah.
See? This rod goes down to that.
Yeah, I see. I can see right through the hole.
Let's see on this side.
Yep.
And that's what these rods are.
But we can't mix these up because they belong to a certain spot on that camshaft. So I'm gonna have to get a box and number them. Well, that's gonna be fun.
That's going to be fun.
Maybe they won't shoot out because of all the junk on them.
Hey, Jake.
That's a good idea, dude. Actually, put that on that lifter, and then
Traction.
yeah, it gives you a grip.
See? There we go.
Oh, no, still not coming out. That is in there, like swimwear. In there like swimwear.
There must be some junk on the bottom of them.
Yeah, some build up.
Oh, this one's loose.
It moves up and down.
Yep.
Yeah, you gotta be. It comes right out. You should be able to pull it right out.
Oh. Oh.
Almost.
Almost. Almost can pull it straight out.
Maybe they'll just stick there like that, right?
Oh man, those are in there.
Yeah, well, I think it's all that varnish on the other side of them. Okay, this one's coming. Yep.
Let me help.
Wait. Oh, what do you think? Maybe they'll just stay. Like then.
Yeah, like I can't see it. It would
see
be a
them.
smack that would launch them out, right?
Yeah, but they just go up and stop.
Yeah,
Right?
that's what I'm
And then they're up.
and they're good. Like even what I would say is just do what you did there, pull them up tight, and then they're clear. They're not going to get hit. I don't think they're going to vibrate back down inside.
Yeah, as long as the motor's making oil pressure. Cause see, here's the oil. The oil galley comes from down somewhere, and then it comes through, and then over to there's a galley that runs on each side, right? So my thought was
it's
just
right there. So as long as those are
my thought was just to either make a plug for the front and the back, right, in case the oil was coming from either direction, or just plug each one. Because for the oil to flow, did you see the one I had out? It's got a groove in it.
Yeah.
So the oil has to flow around to the next one, all the way along. So really, we can get the head off, put the intake back on, put the distributor back in, whatever, so we don't lose that timing, and then we'll crank the motor over with the battery and just see what the lifters do.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh! Why are you using that thing?
Want to try? You can push on that. Here, push.
Yeah.
Oh,
Push
help.
down. Push. Push.
Help.
Go this way. Push it that way. Yeah.
Yeah, you did it.
Nice.
Okay. It's done.
Let me help.
Oh, they're not bad. Okay. We'll go to the next one.
That's disconcerting.
Oh, they should only be, these are little bolts, right? They should only be torqued to like 80 foot-pounds or something. A little torque on that one.
Oh. I'll help push.
Just plywood or anything like that.
You can, now that the bolts are loose, you can just go to town on them. That one actually feels a bit tight, so you might want to try this one or something.
Oh, I got her.
Yeah, just don't slip.
Yeah, be careful. Don't put all your body weight onto the wrench, because if you slip off the bolt, you're going to go onto your bum.
I'm pushing the whole engine because of how tight the thing is.
Yep. Those have to be very tight.
Wow.
Those bolts hold explosions.
Whoa.
They hold back the explosions going on. This will make it way faster.
And they're like
Watch.
knots.
Here, use this, Wyatt. That one's cheating. Oh!
We gotta drain more. One day I will just put valves on this.
Can I hold that?
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
You ready?
Yep, ready.
Keep it right there. I'm gonna poke the junk out of the hole. There's junk in there.
What is this?
Antifreeze. Coolant.
We don't need it?
No, we gotta drain it
Or you gotta drain it?
so that it doesn't leak into the cylinders when we take the head bolts out. That's it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. There's probably some on the other side of the block, but that's okay. We don't need to worry about that side of the block this time. Put the funnel in the can now.
On this can?
Yeah. Gurgle, gurgle.
Oh, it's going to overflow.
That's fine.
That's funny. Oh, just a bit more.
Ooh. Sediments. Every time we get a little more out of it.
What did you say? Every time you get a little more of what?
I don't know, a little bit of junk out of the cylinder, out of the coolant passages.
Because we've drained it a couple times and stuff just keeps coming out. So now, Wyatt, when we did take this out, look, no more coolant.
That's good.
So, no.
Hit up all those bolts.
Oh, the plug is,
These?
Yep.
plug.
All the C's?
Yep, take them all off. You gotta be right on there. Slide it right on. There you go. You gotta
Can't.
slide it and hold it on. There, now go. Okay. You popped all these loose, right?
Yeah.
Keep going. Keep going. There. Pretty much once it starts going, it's off. You grab the bolts and put them in a line there. Hold them back behind you.
That's going to be heavy, okay? Hold on.
Yeah.
You got the right idea. Oh, all of the bolts are out. Here you go.
Yeah. Pull those out.
We got movement.
Oh!
Oh my goodness. I see interesting good stuff.
Piston,
Wow.
piston, piston,
Yeah.
piston.
Flat tops.
The flat tops. I didn't see that.
Dude.
Wow.
Hey.
So that's a really good start. Well, what is that? What's with the little...
Forward. That notch goes forward on all.
Oh, okay. I see.
Oh, wow. We were close on the head gasket.
Oh, wow.
Steel shim head gasket. And I don't know what factory Chevy pistons look like, but these are flat tops. Maybe
Wow.
they had flat tops from
I don't
factory.
know.
I don't know, but
Can I
here you go.
have that?
Yep. Good job, dude.
So, hold on. Exciting. Like these valves actually look a little higher than this one, but they're all pretty well the same. So the exhaust seats aren't trashed or they've been upgraded.
Give me a second.
Oh, and look at the cylinder walls.
Oh, wow. Yeah, these are clean. Good job, dude.
Okay, now we find out. We get the vernier and measure if this is a
Pour it over.
if this is a 3 7/8. Okay, watch out, dude. Good job.
Yep. We're gonna measure the cylinder now.
Holy smokes! What?
That's
Might be
wrong way.
Here.
Oh.
It's the wrong way.
Zeroed out.
Zero it
3
out.
7.
3 8 7.
Watch out.
5. Watch your head, dude. Perfect.
Wow.
That's stock.
Straight original bore, and no ridge ring here. Maybe a little bit,
Oh yeah.
but it hasn't been bored. But why has it got flat tops in it? That's what I want to know. Is that
Hey.
what they used? I have no idea. I'll have to look it up. I imagine. Maybe that's what gave it all the compression.
See, the sparkies are still in.
Yeah.
See them coming through? See them on the other side here?
Yeah, spark plugs. See the thread in.
Bam. Bam.
This is
That's
awesome.
funny.
I want to turn it over to see all the bores, but like there's nothing bad in there. What does a factory 283 piston look like?
Probably this.
Well, apparently, you're not wrong, right? Wyatt? Apparently that is a factory piston, but... Well, no, it could still have been swapped out, but...
Different
That got swapped out. What has it got for rods then? Like, it's got pistons. They
Different
did some kind of
factories
rods.
can make
But-
one engine. Different factories
gotta
can
be
make
stock.
one engine.
They have a little... No marking on them. Like if they were oversized, usually they're stamped with...
Oh, they kind of are drilled differently, eh? With different depths there.
It looks like an aftermarket piston.
That's kind of interesting though. Like that's how they get the final little bit of compression, maybe.
No.
Because like feel that that is not
Oh,
that
they
deep.
just do that for weight probably.
Oh wait, okay, that makes sense.
Good job. Thank you.
Nice glasses.
There's hardly any rock even in the piston.
Yeah, compared to your car.
Oh yeah, well it's made that way.
Yeah.
This is at the top where it even works, right?
Yeah.
There's not even that much carbon buildup on the
yeah, it's like more on this one.
on the piston. Like remember when we got it, it was slightly stuck. It doesn't even look like there's a spot from that.
No, running it would have totally polished that out, probably.
Yeah, but still.
There's a bit
Wait
of
a
a discoloration there. Okay, right there. So discolored there.
Yeah, well, where it sat.
Probably just wool.
So they're not cast iron pistons. That's good. They're aluminum.
Oh, nice.
Which I think is factory. Yeah, cast aluminum.
All right.
Really? We'll just clean this. Take back on.
Lots of stuff in there, eh?
Yep.
Make sure you can keep your glasses on, okay?
Oh no. That's broken.
Uh-oh, let's just build up. That
Oh.
stuff actually has to go. All that is built up. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That's just because it's it's like plumbing pipes. They get corroded before done. They gotta get cleaned by a plumber.
Okay. I wonder if I got a couple 3/8 studs I could throw in that just so the gasket stays up. Okay, I'm just going to lift this up. Someone can give it a wipe underneath and then
I can. I'm skinny enough.
plop her back on. Okay.
Some.
Here. So just wipe off the bottom of the
I'm,
intake.
Okay,
Over here.
Ready. Where the gasket goes, mostly on this side. How's it look?
pretty good. I'm just gonna clean up that.
See the ends where the grummy coolant goes through over there?
Right here.
See this?
All this.
That.
Inside's okay.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Yeah.
That's not in the carburetor.
It's just the surface.
Oh, so that's leaking. Is that
Probably as
tilted?
good as you're gonna get it, unless you want
Tilted
Scotch Brite.
that
That's
way.
fine.
Tilted that way.
It's a one-headed monster.
Ah!
Wait. Usually things have one head anyways.
Damn.
I think I'm off the tooth.
Oh. Yeah, well that's the advance, right? So just go back against it. Yeah.
Nailed it.
Yeah, so. If I make a little plate for the intake now out of wood, just to put something there, nut and bolt it, it should bark off without having a vacuum leak. Because it's got a huge vacuum leak right now, because this port is directly connected to this port.
Yeah.
You can run it for a few minutes without cooling. It's not going to kill it. Just to prove concept.
Yeah.
And then we'll have to do factory pistons.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Take another picture. Side up or down, or I'm confused. See that pretty good? Yeah. Let these sit down in there and spark off the block. That's fine. Oil pressure? Yep. 40 pounds.
Here, I gotta get a shot of those lifters. I can't really see them.
Oh, I hear oil. Oh
Yep.
my goodness. There is a shootload of oil coming up through those. Okay, ready?
Okay, just be careful.
It's sticking up now. Oil pressure.
Yeah, 20 pounds.
Can you hear the exhaust? Go right down by the exhaust with the mic. You can hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I've never heard that before. It's weird. Ready?
Yeah.
This is gonna be weird.
It's gonna be like a tractor, honestly. Like
So I can just hold the choke open once it warms up a bit, I guess. Oh, maybe it'll pull it off. Didn't disconnect any of that. Frick, I might as well hook the fuel tank up. Yeah,
and the lifters just fall back in.
doesn't take long to drain the freaking bowl. top.
Ticking over here. There's a bit of a tick over here.
Yeah, I think that's some.
Yeah, you hear that? That's the lifters going back down.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go again.
Yeah.
I've got a vacuum leak.
There we go.
It's running though.
Yeah, it must be pulling through here somewhere.
Need some silicone.
Damn. That's insane. Oh. That's interesting.
The old one. Not too
But
not
cool.
hot, but reversion 1.0 success.
Yeah. Proof of concept, it works.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just got a vacuum leak around the plywood or what. But it backfired once or twice, so maybe it pushed something out somewhere. And are the lifters just permanently up? No, one went down.
No, if you listen closely, as soon as you shut down, you'll hear them drop. Like that.
Oh yeah. Look at all the fuel that was in there. So that probably leaked.
Oh, sick.
And oil. So it started throwing, yeah.
Yeah, like we were getting some smoky backfire there, right? Oh, that looks so cool. Yeah, it takes a while for them to get pushed all the way up.
Oh yeah. That's just the oil pressure pushing it up.
Yeah, yep.
That's wild.
I think it happens from back to front too. They'll get stuck back to front. Yeah. When the pressure's going. That's actually so cool. So those got stuck. Up there they go.
Yeah. Dink, dink, dink.
That's cool.
Back down.
Held by oil pressure.
just gotta go on this way. Yep. Yeah, that works. It's reversible. Completely symmetrical. Reversible.
Yeah. That's kind of cool. How much coolant pressure do you think that makes? Like,
Whatever the rad cap is,
ah,
that determines the
yeah, yeah.
maximum. 15 usually.
Yeah, so frig, that's nothing.
Just glue it right to the head. Actually, not bad. Yeah. But pre-soak this so that it's all sealed.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Put it in place now and then bolt it later, or bolt it right away.
Yeah, let this do this a couple coats so that it's basically sealed up. Our 2.0 version of the intake blocker, so we don't have a vacuum leak again with the plywood. This is going to hold back the intake, and the only thing we're trying to do with this is just keep the coolant in the block, so this won't see any compression. It'll just see basically coolant pressure.
And then the only other exhaust or intake leak we have is on that.
Yeah, I was pulling a vacuum through the choke here for some reason, which is strange, because normally this goes here to the exhaust manifold, and I don't know, maybe the heat blocks it once the heat reaches it, but I had to hold the choke open.
Well, silly kind of thing. Like, that would be getting positive pressure from the exhaust, would it
Well,
not?
it goes through the manifold.
I don't want to say it'd be getting boost, but it would be getting pressure every time the exhaust is getting, you know.
Yeah, it's got like a stovepipe that actually passes through and goes out the other side of the. So the heat does something there. I don't know exactly how it works. It's 100-year-old technology. That connects to there, and then
Yeah.
it goes all the way through and comes out there, which went to a flapper valve.
Oh.
So that would close. That would close like when the choke opens, it would take vacuum away from that, and then the flapper valve would open, and then because you're holding the exhaust in for extra heat,
Yeah.
right? So it'll force the exhaust up through the crossover out the other side, and it
Okay.
would heat the whole base of the carburetor up early, right, for fast warming up. So that's what that line would do, right?
Okay.
Because remember that big valve that was on here?
Yeah.
Seized
Yeah.
up?
That's right.
Yeah. So it's actually ours isn't warming up, and it's pulling that vacuum there all the time.
Okay.
Water resistant. Well, that's good.
So here's the head gasket that Robin made on her CNC router. A little bit of leakage off of one of the bolts still right now. Coolant leak.
So, main goal, get it up to temperature, and not overheating.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put the rad cap on one click so that it's there, but it's not. What's that?
Just the way the pistons look on the camera, it's so satisfying.
It's flooded like crazy right now. Leave it close for now. A little bit of fuel. Set that down on the oil pressure's good. Yeah, it's definitely leaking onto this one, eh? Yeah, right here. Dude, it's running. Be careful of those lifters. Always check the head torque while the engine's running. Got it. Hey, stand right here and look at it. Oh wow. That is just. I don't know how well the camera will catch it, but. Pressure's a little higher than normal. Make sense? That's oil, just oil spraying up from the lifters now. The rad cap on? No. Still got a vacuum leak. It's idling. No way. Yeah, I'm holding the choke. But that's low idle. Like that's 700 RPM or something. Oh, you know what? That one lifter's getting bunked around a little bit. I see it was going down. That one on the end that gets the least amount of oil pressure. Hops around every once in a while. Dude, it's running. Extract the bubble a little bit. Yeah. Four-cylinder, small block Chevy. Yeah, it's weird. The timing change sounds like it's just not happening. No. I wonder why that is. Or is that the sound of like the pistons just clattering? I don't know. You know, like the piston. I was trying to get some fluid. It's getting up to temperature now. Yeah, you got the... I got it on just one click.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can definitely see as soon as it starts making any pressure, it's coming out.
It's not bad, but
No, not terrible.
see how it does a hot start.
Oh yeah.
Let me give those a wipe out.
They're fine. It's alright.
Okay.
We're just ready?
Yeah. Oh, problem. That sick. That actually sounds so good.
Alright, I think the experiment's over.
Yeah. This thing will run anywhere, anytime, anyway.